Hi, my name is Vanshika. I live in US and I'm 7 years old. Today I made a soccer game in my robotics class in RoboticSchools. So this is how it went. So there is right character and left character, and you have to control the left character, and the right character is automatic. And there's a timer, and when the timer goes up, there's these two scores, and then it shows if it's a tie match or if the other person won or if I won. This is how game works. Bye, I really like this game. Thank you. Bye, I really like